Welcome to the video for my Physfig midterm, physics and config combined. So, let's get right into it by running the exe that is generated by the deployment. As it runs, we get this nice cannon here that we can aim. So, camera controls are the typical WASD plus Q&E. To control the cannon, we can move it side to side with numpad 6 and numpad 4, and we can raise it with numpad 8 and lower it with numpad 5. Now if we want to fire, we hit 1 for a normal bullet, 2 for lasers, 3 for cannonballs, and 4 for energy balls. Let's zoom out a little bit more so we can see just how far they go. So when this hits the ground, it despawns. When this goes far enough, it instantly despawns. And if it somehow manages to hit the ground, it will despawn as well. Cannons despawn when they hit the ground, and energy balls will despawn if they go far enough as well. I think that about covers it. Let's close this. The config for the cannon and all of the presets for the particles are written from these JSONs. And if we open it, the position of the cannon is saved in between runs. So if I close it and then open it again, the cannon is now facing straight forward again. I think that's everything here. See ya!